Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Beautiful Boso. I am Aditi. First of all, happy Holi guys. So guys, this video is a Holi lookbook and I have created 3 looks for different occasion. So the first look will be when you're at home chilling and comfortable, and the second look when you're going to your relative's place or to your friend's place, and the third look is a holy party look. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video and share the video. So guys, and yeah, one more thing, if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Aditi. So let's get into the video.
Don't wanna complication.
Alright guys, so these were the 3 looks which I have created for Holi. Hope you like it. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video and hit the notification bell icon for notification. See you soon. Bye.